Oh yeah. What's that little what's that? That's just a.
I don't know. That's something underneath your breather. I don't know what the hell that is.
And then you just need to put some gas in it.
Yeah, I know you need gas for sure. That's why I probably ain't staying cranked. Yeah, cause it don't look like you got any gas compared to look at you. Yeah.
Okay, well the baby cranked up.
Yeah, yes sir. And believe me, I am no mechanic.
It ain't sound too loud though.
No, it ain't sound
bad.
Not at all. Let's say you listen to mechanic. Yeah.
And it's running. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. So you want to run to the store real quick? Give me our bottle of gas tank and
there we go.
Throw some in there. So you think as we put gas in it, think it'll stay on?
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, let's do that. Boom. Y'all see, man, we got that thing turned up. Damn, one more thing is we gonna go get some gas and put in there and see what's going on, man. And see what's happening with it. On that, then we'll be straight. Alright, we gotta get us one of these. Excuse me. Alright, what else we need? We don't need, I think we're just gonna get this gas can, fill this up, and I think we might be straight. Alright, let's go.
How you doing?
I'm doing alright.
Alright, just give me a second.
We got a price check.
Doesn't give pricing. Doesn't give pricing.
Free? Sound good? Free sound good.
You know how much they usually cost?
About $5, but I mean, that's like got a Dollar General or something like that.
Alright, 706.
Alright, that'll work. Yeah, I appreciate it. Throw some gas in this thing real quick. Wow. Drink all that.
Last gap. Last bit.
Can't do nothing about the keys in there. All right.
Cause I'm gonna tell you, I think your lines might be.
Talking about cross?
Yeah, you know, got some junk in it.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Cause it ain't nothing shooting out. You know what I mean? You got some junk, some trash or something.
Probably need to get the fuel line blowed out.
Yeah, or need a new fuel line from. I don't know. You ain't getting gas from your tank up here, so it might be coming through your lines, but it might be somewhere in your lines. It might be blocked.
Blocked off somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what. If you get on the gas right now, just pat the gas right now. Hold on. Look. All right, go ahead. Yeah, I ain't seen no gas. It ain't dumping no gas. Yeah, it ain't dumping. It ain't dumping no gas, cuz. It ain't dumping nail gas.
What's good, what's happening? We back one more time, man. Still ain't get the Cutlass started. So, we're gonna try again today. Cause my homeboy told me about the fuel filter. So I'm gonna check the fuel filter, see if I can find it. If I can find it, then clean it out. Hopefully that's the reason why it's not getting no gas. Cause that was what it seems like. Look at the carburetor. Ain't no gas getting pumped, so that's probably the issue. So I seen a YouTube video. I was looking for this filter for a long time, bro. Turn around this way. I was looking for this filter for a long time. Could not find it. I think I found it. I seen a YouTube video, and it's a filter in front of the carburetor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that out, and hopefully I'll be able to take it out, clean it out, blow it out, wash it out, however I can get it out, you know what I'm saying, clean it out. Or I might just go buy another one, because I do gotta take a run today. Might just go buy another one. You know, I'm fresh off the job too, man, and not 8 hours out. You know, it's early morning. So yo, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. I think it's what, day 2 or 3, one of those, man. But I'm gonna keep on recording and showing y'all what's going on. So boom, we're gonna take that rack off. So I think it's right there in the front. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. I looked all under the bottom because my homeboy told me it's under the bottom, but I looked under the bottom, didn't see it. So I'm gonna take that off, check and see if it's right there. Hopefully that's where it's at. Pull that out, clean it out. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, we'll see, you know. But I don't know if I showed y'all or not. Y'all see the interior, right? Yeah, I sprayed that, but we're gonna get some more footage of that. But if you didn't notice already, oh yeah, we got that new ignition in there. I know I missed, my camera went dead. And I think I said it in another video, but hey, why not show you again, you know? And we do have power. Like, you hear that clicking? I don't know what's they tell me that clicking is the fuel pump. Boom. All right, we in action. We good to go. Bing. So, all right, man, got y'all on the top. You already know what your boy about to take a little early morning sip. Cheers. Don't mind me. Boom. Yep, there you go, right there. That's it right there. That's it right there, baby. I don't know why my homeboy had, oh, he had this unplugged. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Or this. I got, you know, I'm not a mechanic or nothing, so if anybody in the comments, man, can help me out. I don't know what this is either, man. Like I say, I know it's got to be hooked up, so once I get it running, it run without this being hooked up. I know this is the AC right there. This one right here, I don't know what the hell this is, bruh. I know power steering and all that down there. Don't know what this is, and it's not connected, but it runs without it. So once I get it running, I'm gonna get the AC hooked up, this right here hooked up, full tune up, even though these right here new wires and plugs, but I'm probably gonna redo them anyway. Like this right here is not hooked up to nothing. Like what's that? You know what I'm saying? Like what's supposed to be in there? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we about to take this right here off and see if we can get some action. Okay, see what we gotta do. I'm gonna unplug this, then take this off, that off, the filter's in there. What's this? 12. This 17. That's it right there. Oh, let's change these shoes real quick. Another break. I ain't trying to get too bust up early in the morning, but hey, just like this right here is like my afternoon. This is y'all morning, this is my afternoon. You know what I'm saying? I've been up all night. So technically, it's just like if I got off 3 o'clock in the afternoon, this right here be 4 o'clock in the afternoon, sipping on some. Okay. So, hey, that's not it. But what we do know now, we did find out that this right here is the fuel line going down. So no gas coming up. No gas coming up to here. So that leaves the fuel pump, bro. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna jack. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. So, no luck. Wait till next time. I'm probably not gonna record this part, but I'm gonna check the fuel tank. See if I can just boom, 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 beat on it and see if that loosen up something or whatever the case may be, and see what that do. But in the meantime, in between time, this to be continued. I ain't gonna cut this vlog short until we crank this mug up. To be continued. One more time. All right, boom. Check this out, man. Check this out. I ain't had the camera rolling, but I cranked it up. Check this out, what I found out. Bam, this right here was the gas line. I don't know if y'all can see that down there. That right there, that's the gas line. I undid that. Gas came shooting out, bingo. So I followed it. It's going into here. Ain't no way to getting that out, man. I had to take all this. I had to take all this shit right here out to get this right here out. I'm assuming this right here is the fuel pump. Not the fuel pump, but something with the fuel. You feel me? But I know this can be replaced. I seen on a YouTube video. So I see one bolt here, the other bolt's on the other side of that. So in order to get to that, I gotta take all this off. But what I did was I tapped on this very hard with this screwdriver right here. And I said, hey, let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. So this is what I did. Came around. Hopped in the car. Let it sit for a little second. I said, let's try it. Pump the gas. Nothing. You know what? Let's try it again. Bingo. And it's on. And we got action. So, don't mind, I got them boys out. So, hey man, I'm tired, man. I ain't went to sleep yet. And as you can see, man, hard work pays off. Hard work pays off. We got this thing running. You know what I'm saying? We got it running. Got it running finally. So, as you see, I'm out here by myself. Turned it, cranked up, boom. You know, we're gonna give it a couple more. I'm gonna put everything back on it. I put some coolant in there. The oil's good. Check all the other little fluids, whatever. All the fluids look good so far, except for the coolant, because nothing in that radiator. So I got some coolant in the car. Throw in there, and we got action, baby. We got action, you know what I'm saying? We got action, golly, these dreads. Time for a retwist, but hey, we ain't paying attention to that though. But hey, we in action, baby. You know what I'm saying? We in action. So now I'm about to hit Cuzzo up, you know what I'm saying? Tell him I got that thing running. I'm not gonna pull it out the garage yet. That might be in the next video. Pull it out the garage, circle the block real quick, see how this thing pushing. I'm probably gonna wait for my cousin with me to do that. And I think it's time for me to go get some sleep, man. You know what I'm saying? What time is it? Oh man, it's 1 o'clock. I got some folks coming to pick the Honda up, you know what I'm saying? Getting transmission work done on that. Killing my pockets. So yeah. Finally. Every day you wake up is a blessed day, so make sure you wake up on one. And we out. Sleep time. JPRE. You see.